Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got a game changer for all the breastfeeding moms out there. It's the Milky's Fairhaven Health Milk Tray with lid, and it's here to revolutionize how you store and freeze your precious breast milk. If you're a breastfeeding mom, you know the importance of safely storing your breast milk. But have you ever faced the frustration of dealing with freezer burn or wasted milk? Well, say goodbye to those problems because the Milky's Fairhaven Health Milk Tray is designed to be the ultimate solution. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes this product stand out, its features, and how it can make your breastfeeding journey a whole lot easier. So, let's get started. The Milky's Milk Tray is all about precision. It's designed with 16 semi-cylinder cavities that hold 1 ounce each. Why is this important? Well, it allows you to freeze your breast milk in 1 ounce sticks, making it super convenient for future use. Safety first, always. The Milky's Milk Tray is made from PET plastic, which is food safe and contains no harmful chemicals like bisphenol A, phthalate, or dyes. So, you can rest assured that it's completely safe for your baby. Using the milk tray is a breeze. It takes about 5 hours for your breast milk to freeze in it, and thanks to its flexibility, removing the frozen milk sticks is a piece of cake. Cleaning is also hassle-free. Just hand wash it between uses, and you're good to go. This product comes with 2 trays and 2 lids that are specifically designed for stacking. This feature helps you save precious freezer space and keeps your breast milk organized. Now, let's hear from a real breastfeeding mom who's been using the Milky's Milk Tray. I absolutely love this product. It's a lifesaver for me. I can easily freeze my breast milk in 1 ounce sticks, and it fits through all bottle openings. Plus, it's super handy when my baby needs just a little extra milk. So, there you have it, the Milky's Fairhaven Health Milk Tray with lid. If you're a breastfeeding mom looking for the best solution to avoid freezer burn and wasted milk, this is the product you've been waiting for. It's safe, convenient, and designed to make your breastfeeding journey as smooth as possible. Say goodbye to the old way of freezing breast milk and embrace this innovative solution. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy breastfeeding!